Say it was a race. Okay. I want you to switch your ignitions on, so as everything's working and your lights are running, I want you to put your bike in neutral, but leave it switched off. Okay? Push yourself out into the road. We're going to roll down into town. Alright? It's a 17% hill and it is a road. Alright, so expect things to come in front of you. Don't think you can use the whole road on your way down. Stuff does come up. Pretty infrequent. I think I've met something once coming up the hill, but it can happen, so don't use the whole road. Nothing will catch you up. You will roll faster than anybody would choose to go down the hill. All right, cover your back brake. You can use both. It's on road, so pulling the front brake's not going to do you any damage. So utilize the bike exactly as you would if it was running, but under no circumstances put it in gear. If you put it in first or second, it will just lock up, okay, because you're rolling. So put your gear lever foot on the ball of your foot, cover your brakes, roll down the hill, okay? Emily's going to go first. We'll regroup when we get to the village. Literally, just push yourself out. You don't want to give yourself too much of a scoop. The hill will do the work for you.
Sitting or standing?
Yeah.
Engine off.
Engine off.
Yeah.
Go when you're ready.
Stay seated. Make sure it's in neutral.
Okay, it's in neutral.
Just roll at a speed happy for you. Brake as much as you want. If you're going slow, that's fine.
Okay, and I can stay in my seat.
You can stay in your seat.
put it in
Absolutely everything
No, I
you
won't.
normally do, just don't touch the gears.
Okay. And I don't need to touch the clutch, right?
No, not at all. No, just roll.
Okay.
And at no point is this a race. You put it in gear.
I didn't.
It's all right. That's the code.
Okay.
Stay to the left.
Yep. Okay.
Don't put it in gear. You can use your full brake. %, grade.
He's coming right at me.
He's all right. You're all right.
I'm not touching the gear level. Yeesh. Yep. So I gotta turn myself back on,
Yep, just
right?
hit your ignition. There you go. That was fun. Well done.
Thanks, babe. It's nerve-wracking.
That's kid stuff. That's like, sit down on your skateboard, keep your fingers out from under the wheels. If you like that video and you want to see more like them, hit like, share, and subscribe.